Hey, what's going on, guys? Welcome back to another video. So today we're going to be playing a new game that I got just recently. It's called Trailmakers. I forget how much it costs, but it's a fairly new game. They just had a huge update for it. They added a few new things, like this mode here called Stranded in Space. So basically, what this game is, if you've ever played the game Scrap Mechanic, it's very similar to that. A few differences, but it's quite a similar game. You make vehicles and planes and ships and all sorts of things, and you can use them for whatever. It's just kind of like a sandbox, make whatever you want kind of thing. But then there's this mode, and it says, you have crash landed on a strange and alien world. Explore the planet to recover salvage and rebuild your spaceship. So, I have no idea how this works, and I haven't tried it yet, so I'm going to check it out today and react to it. What the heck is that thing? Obviously some sort of spaceship.
Do you honestly think you're f***ing funny?
Wow, we just got demolished by that rock. And, whoa. Okay, I can already tell this is going to be cool. Where am I? This doesn't look like the sandbox world. Something on the top, it says, get to the launch pad. Let's head over there.
Dear colleague, if you are hearing this, your cargo vessel has crashed and you have survived. The corporation will dispatch a rescue ship, but require you to leave the atmosphere of your current planet. Fortunately, your cargo can be repurposed as building blocks. Build a functional spacecraft by salvaging the scattered contents of your cargo. Once you have located a piece of cargo, place it underneath the recovery drone to extract the building block it contains. Please note that not all building blocks will be suitable for the spacecraft, but they can be used for local transportation purposes. Good luck.
Interesting. So you collect parts, and then you bring them to a recovery drone, and it turns them into building blocks. That's very interesting. Okay, let's collect this. This looks like something that we can collect. Power core. Okay. How am I supposed to like pick this up or like roll it over there? Okay, let's see what happens when we go to the drone. Recovery drone activated. Teleport to recovery drones at any time by using the map. So we can just teleport between the drones. Maybe we can build a car and just try and roll it. Let's try it, okay. Put one of those, we'll put two of those. Alright, and then some wheels.
One eternity later.
Let's try this. Oh hey, it works. Alright. It's not the greatest car, but it'll do something. So now I guess we'll just push this. Let's actually add more of a wider bumper. There. Okay. Now let's push this to the drone. Okay, that's way easier than trying to like push it by hand. Whoa, okay. Push it right in. Alright, cool. We unlocked a power core, which means we can add more power to our vehicles. So let's see. Let's add more to our little rig here. First off, let's make the rear wheels just as wide as the front ones by doing something like that. We don't have any smaller blocks yet. We'll make use of this. And We do have space to add another engine, so let's do that. Alright, now I think we'll have more power. Oh yeah, that's way better. So now what? I guess we can just recover more parts. Okay, let's go salvage this part over here. I think that's to our right, maybe? Up on top of this hill, maybe? Let's head up here. Wow, we can really get right up this hill. Okay. Where's the part? What are these? Let's run it over. Oh, I get coins for running over these little bird things.
I'm a f***ing bird!
Whoops, don't jump off there. Aha, here it is. I can't see what I'm doing. Ooh, block 1 by 2. That'll be useful to make our car lighter. Alright. Let's push this to the drone. Whoops, not like that. Nice, we got new blocks that we can use. Spaceship is 8% complete. Okay. First, let's use the original block and make our bumper a little wider. A lot wider. Okay. We can get rid of these and replace them with lighter blocks. Alright, we need to really unlock some new parts now. Headlamp. Was that like a headlight or something? Let's go over here and check it out. Push it down. Oh no, oh no, oh no. I think you can get like electromagnets that just pick up the blocks so you don't have to push them. Alright, so we got some headlights. Let's put them on top of the seat. There we go. Nice. Our little buggy is coming along really well. Now what? Let's see, we have more parts to salvage. Oh, you know what? I think the pontoons are like floating devices. And maybe we can use them to cross, like between, maybe there's like different islands that we have to cross. That would make sense. Okay, let's go get this pontoon. Whoa. Got a big one right here. Yep, medium pontoon. Oh, I didn't even have to push it. It just started rolling. Whoops. We might need to make this bumper a little bit stronger. Fortify our bumper a little bit. And we'll add some blocks here to kind of support it. So it won't break. Alright, cool. This should be able to push this now. Okay, yeah, that's a little bit easier. There we go. This little buggy is pushing a giant boulder that's twice its size. Nice. Tough little buggy here. Alright. Get this going in the right direction. Nice. Okay. Alright, so we collected quite a few parts, but I think I'm going to end this video here. In the next video, we'll start working on making a boat so we can travel to the other islands and maybe find some new parts and work towards getting our spaceship so we can get off this island. So I hope you guys enjoyed. If you did, make sure to leave a like and subscribe, all that stuff. And don't forget to turn on notifications to know when I upload. And I'll see you guys in the next one.